What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me. I am super excited to be doing a get ready with me. They are my absolute favorite. But before we jump into it, if you are not already an Angel babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will be notified each time that I upload. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if this is not your first time here, of course we always start off with the hair first. So thank you so much to SVT Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into me installing this unit. It's makeup time, which is my favorite time. So we are getting ready to go right into the face. So for my brows, I did get them touched up. So I'm not really doing much to them at all. I just literally have been wearing them like this and just doing my makeup as is. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my primer. So for my primer, I'm using e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I am just super chill in this video, you guys. I feel super mellowed out. I feel amazing. and super happy right now. So for my foundation, that's what we're going right in, honey, because we're not doing anything crazy with the eyes. So taking this L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation in the shade 525. This is still, what am I saying? I cannot talk. This is still my summer shade because I still feel like I do definitely have a tan, especially like on my arms and stuff. I feel really nice and tan. I left all of my makeup brushes on that side. Let me call y'all back. That's how you know I've been doing my makeup a lot, when my makeup is over there, because normally it's over here because I'm not really wearing it. But I'm so proud of myself, you guys. If you watch the vlogs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I started a project pan, just trying to use up products that I already have and not trying to be wasteful and get new things that I don't need until I use the old stuff up. Where was I going with that? And basically I just need to use up my makeup because I have so much, and why am I only waiting for special occasions to wear it? Like, why am I waiting for me not being at work to wear it when I'm at work most of my life? So you might as well get cute every day. Wow, I look crazy on this monitor, but you might as well be cute. So for my concealer, this is actually an item from my project pan. I'm using the shade Tan, and this shade is so beautiful, especially because I already have a tan. But it doesn't make me look like crazy or anything, so yeah. And aren't you super excited that this video is all drugstore? You should be. I'm gonna spread that out a little bit before we blend that out. Same concealer, I just put the shade Caramel right on top just to kind of brighten things up a little because I love a good bright under eye. And this sponge is also drugstore, you guys. It's one of my favorites. Well, it is my favorite drugstore sponge at the moment. And since I haven't been doing my brows, I've just been taking whatever's left over as far as my foundation, concealer is what I mean, over my eye, just to kind of give that a clean, nice base too. This concealer combo is super pretty. I thought I wouldn't repurchase this concealer, but the way this blending out, girl, it's looking like butter, okay? Lately I've just been loving the e.l.f. one, but I probably would repurchase this one if I had a coupon. I guess the coupon kind of says a lot, but it's really nice. So this is the powder that I'm using. It's the Sasha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to set all of my highlighted areas. That's all blended. So now we're just gonna go in with face powder, and I'm just gonna be taking this one from MAC. This is just the Studio Fix powder in the shade NW43. Now for bronzer, this comes from the well, everything's coming from the drugstore, you guys. So this is the e.l.f. bronzer that I'm using. This is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder palette. Looks like this. So I'm taking my bronzer brush and I'm just gonna warm up the face using the darker shade right here. Using the same palette, this color right here, and I'm just gonna snatch up the nose. It's just a little lighter than the color I used on my cheeks. So I'm using this one from NYX, and this one is the Sweet Cheeks blush and the shade Citrine Rose. Using a little highlighter, I'm using this one from Essence. This is Pure Nude Be My Sunlight, and I'm literally only gonna use it just a little on my nose. I'm gonna skip it on the cheeks because you really can't see the cheeks anyway. How about that? So now I'm gonna pop on lashes, and then we'll be back to finish this look. I want to do something a little fun, so I'm gonna pop some of this blue liner in my waterline. This is the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in the shade Electric. gonna go ahead and put on some mascara, top and bottom lashes. This is just the Maybelline Sensational Sky High Mascara. Now for lips, I'm just taking my favorite drugstore liner. It's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. This is a brown liner from Wet n Wild. And what shade is this, girl? Simmer Down Brown. Yeah. And for my lipstick, I'm using this one from MAC. I really wanted to use my MAC Viva Glam too, but I'm trying to just keep it all drugstore. So this is just the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in Skinny Dipping. And it's literally like the same color. And I've had this gloss for a minute now. This is going to be my first time trying this actual color. I have tried this formula, just not the color. This is just the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 12 Opal. Perfect consistency. Like, it's not too thin. It's not too thick. Okay, it's cute. It's a look. Period. It's a look. This is cute. The bob is bobbing. Let's get into this hair. It's the bob, the short nails, and the rings for me. Stop playing with me. It's been so long since I've had a curly bob, girl, and I am feeling this. Like, this is so pretty. So pretty. From the length to the baby hairs, honey, and the curl pattern. The curls are given. I know y'all see these curls. There's nothing in this hair but water, girl. Water only. So like I said in the beginning, this is SVT Hair. I will have the direct link to this unit down in my description bar below, as well as their website. Girl, let's get into it. This bob is bobbing, honey. The bob is given. Lately, I have been loving bobs, girl. Like, I'm gonna be wearing this one for a minute. Like, this is so cute. I love this unit. I love the length on it. I love the curl pattern. It is just absolutely perfect and right up my alley. So this is a closure unit. So if you are not familiar with lace or don't want to be bothered with the full frontal, this unit is going to be perfect for you. It is also a 4x4, so you do get quite a bit of parting space. Like, it even goes a little bit farther back than what I actually have my part parted, what you guys are seeing now. But this unit is fire, you guys. I really enjoyed installing it. It was one of those out of the box type of units. I love those for me. I feel like closure units are those type of units anyway. But this was super easy. I did not bleach the knots on this lace. I simply just did a little bit of lace tint. I used dark brown and medium dark brown just to kind of mix it up a little bit, and then that was pretty much it. So I didn't do much to this lace at all. Cut some baby hairs. I did go ahead and cut a little bit of length in the front. It's kind of like asymmetrical, but I just kind of wanted it a full length, one length, like type of bob situation. And of course, I did pluck this unit a little bit, as you guys saw on camera, and I also plucked a little bit off camera. This unit is literally the perfect length. Super duper perfect for summer, you guys, of course, because it's a bob, getting all that extraness and all that extra hair off of you. This is just so fun. Like, it's so minimal, it's so effortless, and it was just super duper simple to do. And I pretty much have no gripes about this unit. Like, the length, the curl pattern is everything, you guys. This is what I mean when I say I love curly hair. This type of curl pattern. I love how even at the bottom the curls are curling, okay? Like, I cannot make this up. This is definitely like my favorite curl pattern, hands down. And by the way, you guys, this curl pattern is water weight. Thank you so much again to SVT Hair for sponsoring today's video, and until next time, bye. Mwah.